Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, right, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you guys can see, basically what this is a 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. So you guys can use this obviously for your hair and for your body. So mainly they made this product for babies, but adults can use it as well. If you guys are lazy and don't want to get two different bottles for both shampoo and body wash, you guys can use this for both, so it's definitely really cool. So if you guys are wondering what they don't use or what they do use on the actual product itself, they mention it on here of what they don't use, so that's definitely really cool. But this one's the truly calming edition of their body wash and shampoo, and it uses a lavender kind of like smell to it or scent to it. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like real quick. Alright, so this is basically what the bottle looks like. So the one that I got right here is a 2-pack, but they do have like the small 1-pack ones that is like 10 ounce. This one is their 17 fluid ounce one, but this is basically what the bottle looks like, as you can see. Looks pretty nice. For this brand, it's called Honest Company, so they're supposed to be really honest and they're not supposed to do anything that's not honest supposedly, but we'll see as we use it. So if you take a look at the back right here, it mentions that it's gentle for babies and it has some other information here as well if you guys want to learn more about it. But definitely a really cool product overall. And then in terms of the flavor, it is lavender. And if you guys are wondering what they use on here, they use like an essential oil version of the lavender, and they also use like chamomile in the actual ingredients on here. So if you guys don't like any of those flavors, then that's something to kind of consider. Obviously, the only way for us to actually find out how well it works and everything is to actually go try it out. So let's go try this out really quick and see what it smells like and how it works really quick. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the bottle right here. Let's open it up. Alright, so as you can see that pops out. So let's give it a try and pump some out and see what it looks like and how it feels. Alright, so it comes out like that. So it's kind of like a gel material. It's not foamy or anything. Alright, so this is what it looks like, as you can see. Let's turn on some water. Alright, so when we smell it, it definitely has like that lavender like smell to it, but it's not like a super strong lavender smell, which is pretty nice. It's just enough that give you guys that little scent of like lavender, but it's not too overpowering, which is pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself and what it looks like when I stirred it out. You guys can see that it looks amazing, but then obviously you guys can't really smell it or feel it. I can feel it and smell that lavender. It's not too overpowering, it smells just the right amount. But in terms of like using the product itself to like kind of wash my hair and like doing the actual body wash and everything, it actually feels pretty good. Obviously I can't show myself showering for you guys, but so far from using it as a first-hand perspective, it definitely smells amazing and feels amazing so far. So I could definitely see how this could be really helpful and useful for people who have like babies. But even if you're an adult, you guys can use this as well if you guys do want to try this out. Like for me, honestly, when I first got this, I didn't know it's just for babies. But then after I did some more research, they said that adults can use it too. So that's pretty much it. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to be a little bit more lazy instead of like finding two different bottles of like one shampoo and one body wash. You guys basically get both of this in one, so that's definitely really cool. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have